Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set color tune on Jio application. So all you have to do is install this app on Play Store. So this is all the Hindi music. You can set a ringtone or color tune. So all you have to do is going Pro first. You go to the Pro and then you can enable Jio Tune. So for example, if you tap on one of the music here, you can tap on three stripe at the top of your screen. So this is, you can download and active a geotune as your a color tune on your phone. So you can a search your music like trending today, Hindi, and so on. But the first step, all you have to do is jiosaavn Pro, join Pro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.